Good morning, welcome back to A Day in the Life with Daphne's Bird Barn. I'm Misty. Today is Meet a Chicken Thursday, but today we're not going to meet a chicken, we're going to meet one of my favorite turkeys. She blinked in this picture, her eye is closed. Good morning, baby. Hi, sweet girl. So baby is a broad-breasted bronze. This breed is typically for meat. They grow really big. You can't tell from here, but it takes both of my arms to wrap around her. She's that wide. They normally have a very short lifespan due to the size that they grow. I try to keep her on a good diet so that way her legs don't hurt her too bad. She is about, I think she's 3 years old this year. 3 or 4. Can't remember. My husband and I, we got her after we had bought a blue slate turkey. The blue slate turkey didn't make it, so we took it back for our refund. And she was the only thing they had left, so we did get her. Our intentions were to eat her, but she's too friendly for that, and I couldn't do it. So here she is. So, she's a beautiful bird. She's actually had fertile eggs, which I've hatched out. And our red mama turkeys hatched out a couple last year of hers. So she lays them, but she does not lay on them. The broad-breasted bronze originated in America. They mature between 20 and 24 weeks. Here's some egg comparisons, and you'll see which one is baby's egg. She lays larger eggs than normal turkeys. That's baby. This is what she does best. That's her son, Heinz. Hey, baby. Hey, girl. Well, that was all for today's Meet a Chicken Thursday. Even though we didn't meet a chicken, we met a turkey named Baby. I will see you guys back next week for another edition of Meet a Chicken Thursday. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.